Students, welcome to the fourth session of Chapter 10 Refraction and Dispersion of Light or Subject Science of Class 8th. Topic for today is lenses. Students, earlier we studied the refraction through glass slab and prism. Now we will study about refraction through lenses. A lens is a portion of a transparent refractive medium bounded by two surfaces. When both or one of these surfaces are or is spherical, the lens is known as a spherical lens. Spherical lenses are of two types: convex or converging lens and concave or diverging lens. The common shapes of these two types of lenses are shown below. Converging lenses or convex lenses, there are three types: double convex lens, plano convex lens and converging meniscus. And diverging lenses means concave lenses. They are of three types again: double concave, plano concave and diverging meniscus. Students, there are few definitions related to these lenses. Earlier in 7th class you have studied these definitions of different terms related to spherical mirrors. So first definition is centers of curvature. Each of the two surfaces of a spherical lens can be regarded as a part of sphere. The centers of these two spheres are known as the centers of curvature of the two surfaces of the lenses. You can see in the diagram given on your screen, center of curvature. C is the center of curvature. Next term is radii of curvature. The radii of two spheres of which the lenses surface are a part are known as radii of curvature of the two surfaces of the lens. Again, look at the diagram. These are the radii of curvature of the lenses R1 and R2. In both the cases, convex as well as concave lenses. Next term is principal axis. The line joining the centers of curvature of two surfaces of lenses is known as principal axis. Then next term is optical center. The optical center of a lens is a special point on its principal axis. A ray of light passing through the optical center of lens goes straight through it without undergoing any bending or deviation from its path, like normal in case of glass slab. Next term is principal focus or focal length. It turns out that if a beam of rays all parallel to principal axis of lens falls on the lens, all such rays either all converge to a point on its principal axis or appear to diverge from a point on its principal axis. We call this point as the second principal focus of the lens. The distance of the principal focus from optical center of a lens equals the second focal length of the lens. So these are the different terms which are related to the lenses, and you have to learn the definition of these terms. Now there are three special rays of lenses which again you have to practice by making their diagrams. What you have to do, first of all you have to draw a diagram of convex lens. Then you have to make one principal axis. Here look at the pictures. O is the optical center of the lens. In both the cases convex as well as concave lens. And F is given, and in first case an incident ray parallel to principal axis passes through or appear to come from the second principal axis of lens. In second case, an incident ray passing through optical center of lens goes undeviated from the lens. An incident ray passing through the first principal focus of the lens or directed toward it become parallel to the principal axis after refraction from the lens. Students, carefully look at the figures given on your screen. In first case, a ray of light, it is parallel to the principal axis which passes through the focus. You can see in first picture of both the cases, convex as well as concave lens, and in second case a ray of light passes through optical center. It goes undeviated, means it goes straight, it does not bend at any angle. And in third case, a ray of light that is passing through focus, it goes parallel to the principal axis. Students, you have to make diagrams of these three special rays and you have to keep it practice for the next topics of the chapter. Students, now you have to write answers of these questions in your rough notebook. Question number 1, define the following terms: centers of curvature, radii of curvature, principal axis, optical center, principal focus. And question number 2, draw diagrams of three special types of rays for lenses. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.